Now, let's move to customer support. Let me share another example, this time focusing on product failure data from sold items. These included breakdowns, repair requests, or maintenance needs. Once we have these failure reports, we can begin to analyze the trends. So now, how can AI help? So here we might ask the chatbot. Based on this failure data, what trends do you notice? Can you suggest possible causes or improvements? The AI identified 3 key patterns. First, electrical failures were by far the most frequent. Second, certain components in specific models tended to have recurring issues. Third, failures often happened just before or after scheduled maintenance periods, suggesting possible timing issues. Now, based on the AI's analysis, 3 key recommendations were made to help reduce failure rates and improve response efficiency when failures do occur. The first is strengthening preventive maintenance. Since electrical failures, clogging, and wear are common, the AI suggests making sure consumables like filters and lubricants are well stocked, replacing worn parts early, and preventing foreign object contamination through better work environments and protective equipment. Second is enhancing safety measures. Many failures are caused by improper handling or accidental force. The AI recommends reinforcing safety covers, improving training for workers, and reconsidering where machines are placed to minimize the impact from collisions. Finally, focusing on specific high-failure equipment. Some machines, like hydraulic presses and packaging systems, consistently show higher failure rates. For these, the AI recommends doing a more detailed analysis to identify root causes and define targeted actions. These recommendations are all aimed at reducing the likelihood of failure and shortening the response time when issues arise.